oh sheep, say beep beep oh sheep, beep beep oh sheep, say beep beep oh sheep, beep beep.
You got to beep beep, beep beep like a sheep. So I was just about to come trim my roses because most of these buds are pretty much done now. And then I decided that it was a better idea not to do it. Let me see if I can get close enough for you to be able to see without touching it. There is a really cool spider right here that has a very pretty web. And I am not going to disturb it. But now it sees me looking at it and hears me talking. Because we do have quite a mosquito problem here, living near the water like we do. So yeah, there's a giant spider on my roses. They were pretty. They'll be pretty again later, I'm sure. And now I don't want to trim them because, you know, living creature kind of has a home there. Yeah. Hey guys, just gonna wrap up Vlogtober day 4. We survived, yay! So, the weather was kind of crappy and super cold this morning, but it warmed up a little and the sun came out, so as much as they didn't want to, I made the boys get dressed so we could go to the playground. We went for about an hour, got some sunshine, got some crazy running in, hopefully got a little bit of crazy out. Had a long but productive morning with Hunter with worksheets and stuff this morning. Lots and lots of number writing practice. He's pretty good with most of his letters, but some of the numbers are kind of tricky. So we're working on that. I'm just listening to them running around down there. So you will have gotten to see a little bit of me crocheting, working on my Reminisce sweater, with Hunter sitting next to me playing Roblox, and also me boxing the corners of one of the bags that I am finishing up. I actually finished both with that particular print earlier, and I have 2 more bags that are cut that hopefully I'll be getting sewn up tonight, and maybe getting some more cut tonight too. I'm not sure. I am being a dummy right now and drinking coffee at 4:30, so here's hoping that I won't fall asleep at 11 o'clock like I did last night and get nothing done. I literally turned on the movie and 5 minutes in, I was out cold. So whenever Adam is away for training, I have a few movies that I always watch. Not that he dislikes those particular movies, but they're just not super his cup of tea, and he's not a big rewatcher. Hi, kitty. Black cat. Kitty, kitty. Kitty face. Kitty face. Anyway, he's not a big rewatcher. Even if he super enjoys a film, he doesn't usually watch it more than a couple times. Me, personally, I grew up in a house with no cable television, so we had DVDs and what played on network television and replayed in syndication 1,000 times. So I'm a big rewatcher. I find something I enjoy and I'll watch it 5,000 times and think nothing of it. But some of the movies that I tend to rewatch while Adam is gone are John Dies at the End and the first VHS movie. Those 2 are usually my big repeat watches while he's gone. And then various other things. For whatever reason, he's kind of grown out of watching horror since we've had children. Whatever. So, I guess that's really it for me for today so that I can get this all mishmashed together and get it uploaded before midnight tonight. Like I said, it's about 4:30 right now, and I hope everybody had an awesome day. And I'm just listening to them giggling down there because it kind of sounds like they're fighting, but they're not quite fighting yet. So I'm going to have to go break it up before it escalates to that point. So I hope you all had an awesome Thursday, and I will see you all again tomorrow. Bye.